You see all these people that's walk and tell lies. You don't see people walk and tell lies on people. So, we're not in any drama. We're not in any drama. Yeah. Wow. Listen to the liar people and people. I'm really like doing some of their people. I'm on the small bed. On my corner sofa, and I know I have another sofa in the living room. Wow. Thank you for Wolverhampton Council. Thank you. Wolverhampton Council is a very, very good council. To me, they help me a lot. Social worker, they used to come here. Okay, you know, they have to make sure so the place look nice and carpet set. And the kids have them bed and everything. Yes, don't listen to the liars. Don't listen to the lies. From this telling simple lies, they will say any little thing. Yeah. And then, kids' bed. His bed. It's kind of sofa you can sleep in. Because it's not comfortable to sleep. But I have a comfortable sofa downstairs. Yeah. Don't listen to the liars. I can't stand liars. Yeah. Yeah. My son turn on the fan because he loves fan. When he's going to bed, and turn on him little music. Yeah, good mother. But don't listen to the liars, people. I can't stand people that lie. I can't stand people that tell simple lies. I mean, LadyC sleep on table. Huh? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What? What? What are you talking about, darling? Look, that corner sofa. That is a single bed that is right beside it. It's the single bed right beside it. So what they say? No, people, just prove who is the liar. Just prove who is the liar. Oh, they cannot help themselves. I guess they have to come and build up some story. They have to come and build up some story, but people have a good day. So now you see, people, I got a king size bed and a single bed and a corner sofa where we can sleep on. I'm gonna have downstairs that the leather sofa downstairs with very comfortable. So have a good day, people. When you see the liar people, them telling lies on people, don't believe them. They can tell simple lies, they will tell big lies. That's it. That's it. Bye, people. We're not staying here long, so we don't have time for them.